Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we are going to be learning WhatsApp business setup. So, to set up our WhatsApp business, we'll be needing the image, the description, and the services we offer. So, we are going to be heading to Canva to create that now. So once you're on Canva, what you want to do is you want to create a new design. Bear in mind that if you are using the Allow Dollars Canva, you have to do that in your folder. So once you're in your folder, you click on create a design and you choose Instagram post square 1080 by 1080. So once you click on that, it's going to look like this. So what we want to do is we want to search for templates and use the templates for our design. So we'll come here under design here and we search for templates. So we can search for anything that has to do with delivery. It can be delivery man, it can be delivery, it can be courier. So wherever you can search, just search for the keyword. The idea is to get a design that we're going to use to present ourselves. So these are the results for the designs. So this is one design. This is also another good design. So just pick any design you like. But bear in mind that we are going to just list three informations on the design. The first is the location you are delivering to. The second is your phone number. And the third is your website. Those are the three information we want to show on our design. So the location is going to be the biggest, then your phone number, then the website that we are going to design. So I'm going to show you how to set up the website. Just relax. So, but for now, we're just going to design our flyer. So I'm going to just pick anyone as random. So we have a lot of designs. Another thing to bear in mind is look for simple designs. Don't look for busy designs. If you have busy designs, it might not be easy for you to edit. So just look for something that is very simple to work with. I personally, I'll just look for any design that has image on one side. Look at this one. It has image on one side and text on one side. Usually that's what I'll just pick and I'll go. So I can just pick this one. So once I have this, the second thing is just as I said before, we need three things. First, our location that we are delivering to. The second thing is our phone number, and the third thing is our website. Every other thing we don't need it. So this logo we don't need it, so we are just going to take it off. So I'll take it off. So I can just write Lagos delivery. So the second thing we need is our phone number. So I'll just take this phone number here and I'll bring it up. So I can delete this one that is here and I can make the phone number a bit bigger like this. So I can just write my phone number, maybe 0704 1234567. Just write your phone number there. So, and the last thing we need is our website. So you can just take this website. So if your design does not have website on it, you can just use any other text and type it. So we can delete this button too. So really what we are interested in is having all of that on our design. So in my case, let me just say my name is Ibrahim. My name is actually not Ibrahim. So I'm just going to write my name here. So let's say Ibrahim. You can remove the www. Ibrahim excellent delivery.com.ng. So I will extend this so it will take everything. That's all you need. So if any other thing, so we can just delete any other thing that is not relevant. So those are the three things that matter. So you can leave this one 24. If anything is relevant, you can leave it, but the major things are what I've mentioned. 24 hours delivery. So that's basically it. So this is the design, basic design. So once you have your basic design ready, then the next thing is that we're going to now write the specific locations we deliver to. So I'll just duplicate this one. But before then, lest I forget, this image is not my image. So I'm going to use another image, which is my image. In your case, it's going to be your own image too. So I would import the image myself here. So just going to, okay, so this is the image. So now drag it here. So once I have this image, now the second thing you need to is remove the background for the image. So depending on how your image looks, so you would want to remove the background. So you click on edit image. The very first one here is remove background. So you just say BG remove. So it will remove the background of the image. So the same thing with your own image. Once you have it, you remove it. So you delete this one that is there and you put your image. So make sure that the image is placed properly. You can see that this is quite big, so I can always just reduce the size so it's not out of place and doesn't clash with my text. So this is something like it. So this works for me. So once I have this, so this is the image. So I have it ready. So this is what I'm going to duplicate. So the essence of duplicating it is just to have a number of locations that we deliver to. And I'm going to show you the use of that in the setup of our WhatsApp. So you just click on this duplicate page. So when you want to duplicate page, so instead of Lagos delivery, we're not going to write another location, maybe Yaba. So Yaba delivery. So you can duplicate another one and you can write, instead of Yaba, you can write Ikeja. So different locations that you deliver to. So instead of Ikeja too, you can write also another location. We can write Ikotun. So you can have as much as possible. So but usually 5 to 6 is ideal. So you can see. So once you have all of these designs ready, the next thing you want to do is you want to export them. So I'm going to click on export. So I'll click on download. So I'll download all the 4 pages, yes, and I'll click on download. Okay, so I'll save it wherever you want to, like you want to save it. So I'm saving it here. So once it's done downloading, so I'll go to the file location. I'm going to export. I'm going to extract it. Now extract it. So extract. So I have my images ready. So these images are the images we are going to be using for our designs. So different locations, that's all. So you too can use any of those designs and come up with nice images. So just follow the basic idea. The basic idea is that you want to have the location, just as I've said, look at it. So what we want to have is the location, your number, and your website. That's all. Those are the 3 things you need, nothing more. So those are the ways they will contact you. Then you put your image there so that they would build trust. So once that is ready, we go back to our WhatsApp. So now for me, I'm going to be, because I'm using a system, I'm going to be using a phone emulator. So in your case, it's going to actually be your phone so that you use to set it up. So I'm going to go to Play Store to download WhatsApp Business. Bear in mind, I didn't say WhatsApp, I said WhatsApp Business. So I'm going to click search for WhatsApp Business. So that's it. WhatsApp business. So, and I'm going to install it. So it might take a while. So it's done downloading and it's installing. Now it's saying I should open, so I'll open it. So now it's asking me to agree and continue. I'll agree and continue. So it's going to ask for my phone number. I'm not located in United States. I'm actually located in Nigeria. So I'm going to choose Nigeria. So Nigeria is +234. So that's what I'll look for. Let me see if I can search Nigeria. Okay. So this is Nigeria. So and I'm also going to input the number I want to use for it. Just the way we do on our normal WhatsApp. So it's very similar to it. So you click on next. So a code is going to be sent to the number. So I will say it's correct. So I'm going to ask you to verify another way. I'll ask you to send an SMS. So for you, if the phone is on the same phone, then you can just ask it to call and to verify automatically. But in my case, because I'm using a laptop, so I won't be able to receive it on the laptop. So that's why I'm asking you to send the message. So once it's verified, then we'll go on to our setup. So it's asking me if he wants me to continue. So I'll say you should continue. So to allow access to contacts, yes. Allow access to media files, yes. Allow. So it will look for backups. So if it finds, it will load it. But in my case, because this is a new one, so there's no backup. So it's also going to ask for our business name. In my case, it's Ibrahim Express Delivery. So Ibrahim Express Delivery. So you too should try to use in a name that has to do with your own name. So it builds trust and makes them feel like they are working with a person rather than working with a company. So for you to, if your name is Hassan, you can make it Hassan Express Delivery or Hassan Delivery Service, or but make it around your name. So for the category, we're going to be choosing freight and cargo. Okay, so cargo and freight company. And for our image, is going to be the image of your face. Click on gallery. So in your case too, it's going to be the image of your own face too. And click on done. So there's a face to it, there's what you do, and then you click on next. So it's asking you to add your email address. So you're going to add your email address to it too. So in my case, it's Ibrahim Express Delivery at gmail.com. So I'm just going to input it here. So in your case too, you can input your email, but it's not compulsory. This is just for backup. So you click on next. So a code will be sent to the email. So once I receive the code, I'm going to input it here. So I'm going to input the code here and I'm going to click on next. So it's done. The verification is complete. So and now we have set up our WhatsApp business. Now the next thing is that it's going to ask you to set up your mobile storefront and you click on get started. So and what it means is that we're going to set up a catalog where those who interact with us on WhatsApp will be able to see what we charge. They'll be able to have an idea of, okay, how much do you charge for different locations? And that's why we add those location designs that we did earlier on. So I'm going to click on add item. So the next thing is to click on add image. I'll say you should add it from my gallery. I'll click on gallery. Okay, it's showing now. So alhamdulillah. So what we want to do is we want to select the different locations. So for a cartoon, you just select a cartoon. So it will ask you for the name of the item. In my case, it's going to be a cartoon delivery. A cartoon delivery. And you are going to write the amount. Let's say you charge maybe 4,000 for a cartoon. So that's all you just need. And you click on save. So you have created an item in your catalog. So we'll do the same thing for other locations. So you click on, so you can see we have it here. So you click on add item again. You select another one. So it's not showing here, but if I come to gallery, it's showing. I don't know why it's like that. So, but I don't think you should have experienced all of this on your end. So the name also, in this case, I think it's Yaba. Okay, so it's Yaba. So we're going to input Yaba delivery. So you can say maybe you charge 3.5 for Yaba. So depending on how much you charge, so you consider your costs of transport to those locations, and then you are going to add your own fee to it. So the next we'll add another location, add another image. So that's how we're going to continue adding the images. So we've done the cartoon, we've done Yaba, so we're going to do Ikeja. So, oh sorry, I didn't fill the field there. So Ikeja delivery, and you're also going to write the amount. So let's say your Ikeja delivery is also maybe, or maybe 3,000 or something. So just as I said, it depends on where you're going from. So you will be the one to determine what your price is, but make it reasonable. So you calculate your cost for the delivery, and you're also going to add your own extra charge. That will be your own take home. So you can add as much as possible. So in my case, I just added 3. So you can add 5 depending on your location and the amount of locations you can deliver. So anybody that comes in contact with you on WhatsApp, they will be able to have an idea of, okay, this is the range that you charge. So once we are done, we have set up our catalog. So if, for example, you already have a WhatsApp account before, we just set up the WhatsApp account, and you want to change or edit your details. So what you need to do is just still come to your profile here, and you would got it, and you adjust everything that needs to be adjusted. So you can change the image if you want to change it to another image, and you can also change this background image too here. So there's no background image here. So you can either choose to add profile photo. This is the profile photo, while this one is the cover photo, which is going to be at the back. So I'm going to add a cover photo, and I'm going to select it from my gallery. In this case, it's going to be that one for the general, the Lagos that I'm going to use, this Lagos. So it's it I'm going to use. So I'm just going to use the part that shows my face and what I do. So now click on done. So that's what you can see, that's what's showing at the background. So once we have all of these set up, we are going to add our website and email and all of those things too. So we have our email. So this is the email. So you save it too. So if they need to contact you, and our website will be Ibrahim Express delivery.com.ng. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own domain name too. So I didn't put www. So save it. So they can also click and join and check out your website. So this is basically, so with that, we already have our WhatsApp setup. So that's the first stage of what we want to do. The second stage of what we want to do is the WhatsApp group. So the WhatsApp group is going to be a general group that you'll be referring every new customer to. So any e-commerce business that wants to interact with you will be interacting with you on that general WhatsApp group. So that way, whenever they just join that group, you can ask any question and you'll be able to respond to them in real time. So that WhatsApp group, you're going to pin it up so that whenever any message comes in, you'll be able to see it on time. So, and that's going to be the next thing we'll do. So you come here and you click on new group. So you need you need at least one person to join you in the group. So you can use your wife, you can use your friend. So just someone has to be on the group with you. So just look for someone that you can add as a member to the group. So I want to add them as members. So you now name the group. So in our case it's Ibrahim Express Delivery. So I click on OK. So 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 then it's saying I can't invite the person I because it has some privacy settings. So that doesn't mean so. In your case, you are going to edit the icon of the group. So it's going to be your face that will be there. So they know it's actually you. Sorry about that. Resend. So this your face. So that's so they know okay, the group is actually yours. And once you have that set up, you already have your group set up. So anybody that wants to interact with you will interact with you on this group, any new person that comes in. And you have to always ensure that you respond on time. So this group, we are going to pin it on our WhatsApp. So you select it and you click on this to pin it. So no matter the amount of message you have, it will always be the first and you will always be able to see new messages on the group and respond appropriately. So with that, we have finished all we need to do with the WhatsApp setup. So we've set up our WhatsApp business and we've also been able to set up our WhatsApp group for our business. So for those that have existing WhatsApp business accounts and that's what they want to use, so maybe that WhatsApp account is being used on just WhatsApp and is not being used on WhatsApp business. So what you need to do is you need to log out of your existing WhatsApp account and log in. You install the WhatsApp business and you log in into it. So that's an option. Another option is if you want to change the number, maybe you want to change that existing, maybe you already have a WhatsApp business, but you want to change that WhatsApp business to the one you want to be using. So that one too, you can just always edit the details of that was existing WhatsApp business and you can proceed with that. So is either you are creating a new account or you are using an existing account. Any of them would work for what we want to achieve. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to set up your WhatsApp account for your delivery business. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to also create the WhatsApp group for your delivery business. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses our efforts and makes it better understood than said, and He forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.